MPLAB Harmony version 3 is an extension of the MPLAB ecosystem for creating embedded firmware solutions for 32-bit microchip devices. In this video, we will show you how to set up the tools required to get started with MPLAB Harmony version 3. First, we will show you where to download and how to install Microchip's MPLABx Integrated Development Environment, or IDE for short. This IDE is a software that is used to develop applications for Microchip microcontrollers. Microchip's MPLABx IDE is available at the web link shown here. If you scroll down the page, you will see the Downloads tab. This IDE can be installed on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. In this video, we will show how the IDE can be installed on a Windows operating system with the latest version 5.4. Release notes and user guides can be seen below the download link. Click on the download icon shown on the right side. Once the file is downloaded, you can start the installation process. When the installer opens, click on Next. You'll need to accept the license agreement. Choose the installation directory. Choose only 32-bit microcontrollers. And finally, click on Next to start the installation. We will now show you where to download and how to install Microchip's MPLAB XC32 compiler. The MPLAB XC32 compiler supports all 32-bit PIC and 32-bit SAM microcontrollers and is available in the web link shown here. To download the compiler, scroll down and click on the Compiler Downloads tab. When the installer opens, click on Next. You'll need to accept the license agreement. Choose the license type. Choose the installation directory. Here, you can apply compiler settings. And finally, click on Next to start the installation. We will now show you how to install Microchip's MPLAB Harmony Configurator, or in short, MHC. After the successful installation of the IDE and compiler, launch the MPLAB IDE. Select Tools, Plugins. The Plugins window will open. Click on the Available Plugins tab. Check the MPLAB Harmony Configurator 3 box. Be careful not to select MPLAB Harmony Configurator, as this is a different plugin used with a previous version of MPLAB Harmony, version 2. Click the Install button. Click Next. Accept the license terms, and click Install. And finally, click Finish to restart the IDE. When the IDE has restarted, select Tools, Embedded to verify that the Harmony 3 configurator and the Harmony 3 Content Manager are displayed in the list. Lastly, we will show you how to download the MPLAB Harmony framework from the Harmony 3 GitHub repo. In the MPLABx IDE, select Tools, Embedded, MPLAB Harmony 3 Content Manager. If you don't see this option, you haven't installed MHC. Choose a folder in which you will have to download the Harmony framework. You can browse to an existing Harmony framework folder or create a new one. Click Next. Wait a few seconds while the Content Manager tool queries the repository and generates a list of all available packages. If the Local Packages list is empty, you haven't downloaded any repo content yet. The Remote Packages list shows all of the packages found on the MPLAB Harmony GitHub site. Note that the packages MHC, dev_packs, CSP, and quick_docs are selected for download by default, as these are required for all Harmony projects. Check the boxes beside all the packages you want to download. Then click Download Selected in the top left corner. After accepting the license agreement, the download will start. If you've previously downloaded packages into the folder you specified, the Content Manager will show those packages in the Local Packages list. Your computer is now ready to use the MPLAB Harmony framework, and you can now create a new Harmony project. Finally, here are a few useful reference web links. This page is the Harmony version 3 landing page. where you can find all the useful information about Harmony version 3. It has references to various collaterals, from basic getting started documentation, migration guides, application examples, peripheral libraries, and middleware examples. In the Harmony version 3 GitHub page, we have Wikidot documentation available in all repo folders. You can use the help link or the getting started links as shown here. The quick_docs repo also has all the downloadable, easy-to-start documentation. Once the repo is downloaded, the documents are available for online and offline viewing and reading. Thanks for watching.